Starting with numerical number 5.5, calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. Now here they are asking you to calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. If the condition is given, mass of moon is 1/80 times that of the mass of earth. Suppose me is mass of earth and mm is mass of moon. So mass of moon is equal to 1/80 times, that is 1/80 into mass of earth, first condition. And diameter of the moon, alright, diameter of the moon is equal to 1/4 times that of the earth, that is diameter of earth. So diameter is twice radius, 1/4, again diameter is twice radius. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So this is the equation. Let's write the general formula for acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, that is gm upon r square. Since it is on the surface of earth, I'll write Ge and Re, and Me is the mass of the earth. Same acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon, G mass of moon and radius of moon. Now there are two conditions, so we'll write the ratio of these two equations to get the answer. So Ge upon Gm, we'll write the formulas. Re square upon Gmm, Rm square, G and G gets cancelled. Now Ge upon Gm, that is equal to what is left, mass of earth upon radius of earth, the whole square, into, now this denominator term, if I want to take this in the numerator, then I'll write reciprocal of this term upon mass of moon. Now I'll write these terms together, mass of moon into radius of moon upon radius of earth. Since both of the term has the same power, so I'll write it once. Now what is mass of moon? We have the equation, mass of moon is 1/80 times mass of earth. 1/80 times mass of earth. So mass of earth gets cancelled. Now again see, this is in the denominator, this is in the division. If I want to write it in the multiplication, then this 80 will go in the numerator. So this is 80 into, now what is radius of moon? Radius of moon is 1/4 radius of earth. So 1/4 radius of earth upon radius of earth, the whole square. Radius of earth gets cancelled. Now it is 80 into 1 ka square is 1, 4 ka square, 4 4s are 16, so I'll write it twice. This is what we have. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 4 0s are 0, 4 1s are 4 5s are. So it is 5. Ge upon Gm is equal to 5. Write this Gm over here, Ge upon 5. This 5 will come in the denominator and this Gm will go on numerator on right hand side. Now how much is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth? That is given in the question, that is 9.8. So 9.8 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So we cannot take 5 1s are 5. So I'll divide it like this. 5 1s are 5, 4, then I write point, I take this 8, 5 9s are 45, 3 is left, because of point this becomes 30, 5 6 are 30. So here it is 1.96, that is my Gm. So 1.96 per unit, you can check over here, meter per second square. 1.96 meter per second square will be acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon.